Autistic people see, hear, and even feel the world differently to other people. All autistic people share certain difficulties, but it will affect them in different ways. Autism is much more common than people think. There are over 700,000 people in the UK alone with autism. That's more than 1 in 100. If you're autistic for life. It is not an illness or disease and it cannot be cured. Autistic people may find it hard to meet people and make friends, say what they need, say how they feel, understand how people think or feel, understand jokes and ideas that may mean more than one thing, talk in front of people, while for other autistic people this could be the easiest thing in the world. Some autistic people may have something they are very interested in or good at, such as music, art, or maths. Some experts in these fields may have been on the autistic spectrum, such as Mozart, Andy Warhol, and even Albert Einstein. Autistic people may like to do the same things every day. This helps them reduce their stress and it makes them feel safe. Sometimes things can feel too much for autistic people and they may feel worried or scared. To be a good friend to someone with autism, you should be patient with them, communicate clearly with them, make plans with them, respect their sensory boundaries, and most importantly, stand up for them. Autistic people are more at risk of being bullied than their peers because of the different ways they communicate and act with each other. Autistic people, they're still people, and should be treated with the same amount of respect that you treat anyone else.